Karnika Rajan, 8A, Chandrakandi Public School. Okay, so yeah, let's start. So before going to the session, let's have a short story. Okay, so Tina goes to a supermarket. So Tina is a small girl. She goes to a supermarket. Okay, she buys only junk food in the supermarket. She doesn't buy any healthy food. She buys only the junk food like burger, pizza, French fries, like that. Okay, so after some days she gets sick. So, but Lena buys only nutritious food in the market. Tina buys junk food, but Lena buys only nutritious food in the market like vegetables, fruits, like that. Okay, and she is staying healthy. So after some time, she is staying healthy. But Tina was very sick, right? But Lena is very healthy after eating all the healthy food. Okay, so that's why we should always eat healthy food. That's why we should always eat healthy food. If we eat them, we'll become healthy and strong too. Okay, so can anyone name all the junk food we eat? All the junk food, what all we eat, the junk food? Can anyone name?
Burger, pizza,
cold drinks,
biscuits, ice cream, chocolates, cakes,
Fast food, junk food,
noodles,
Yeah,
pasta.
super. We eat all those, right? Super. Okay. So what all are the healthy food we eat?
Banana juice, apple,
fruits,
bread,
vegetables,
coriander.
Super. Okay. So we shouldn't eat junk food. We should always eat the healthy food. Okay. So yeah, let's start. So what is nutrients? So a substance that is needed for healthy growth and development and functioning of our body. So something that is needed for our body to be healthy, to develop and to function. Okay, so a substance that is needed for all these is known as nutrients. And fruits and vegetables have important nutrients. Okay, so mainly fruits and vegetables have all the most important nutrients. Okay, so what are the nutrients we need? So we need proteins. We have to eat protein rich food, fat rich food, carbohydrates rich food, vitamins and minerals, and water. Okay, so we need all these. Okay, so will you eat all these food? Will you eat all these food? Okay,
Yes.
so let us learn about each of the nutrients separately. Okay, so first is carbohydrates. So carbohydrates are one of the three main nutrients. First is carbohydrates, proteins and fats. So these are the three main nutrients. And carbohydrates is a source of energy giving food. So carbohydrates gives us energy. Okay. So I want everyone to mute their mic, please. Okay, so carbohydrates give us energy. Okay, so carbohydrates, if we eat carbohydrates rich food, we'll get more energy. Okay, so we should eat food items like potato, bread. Main is rice. We should eat a lot of rice to get energy. Okay, so the next is proteins. So proteins are found in food items like meat, milk, egg and beans. So protein is essential for a strong body and the growth of a body. So if we eat proteins, our body will be very strong. Okay. If we eat proteins, our body will be very strong and we'll start to grow. Okay. So we should eat food items like meat, milk, egg and beans. Okay. So the next is fat. So fat is also a energy giving food like carbohydrates. Okay, but fat will give energy when there's no carbohydrates. So when there's no carbohydrates, fat will give energy. When there's no fat, carbohydrates will give energy. It's like alternatively. Okay, when there's no fat, carbohydrates will give energy to our body. When there's no carbohydrates, fats will give energy to our body. Okay, so we should eat food items like olive, almond, like that we should eat. Okay, So the next is vitamins and minerals. So vitamins and minerals are called micronutrients. You know why? What is micro? Micro means small. So micronutrients means we need vitamins and minerals in small quantities only. We shouldn't take a lot of vitamins and minerals. We should take only in small quantities. Okay, that's why they are known as micronutrients. So there are many types of vitamins. So easy to remember: vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, and vitamin E. A, B, C, D, and E. Okay, so easy to remember, right? So the next is vitamin A. So vitamin A is very good for a good vision. If we eat vitamin A rich food, we'll get a good vision. Okay. So for good vision, we should eat fruits. We should eat like carrot, like that food we should eat. Okay, to get a good vision. So what if we didn't even eat vitamin A food items? What will happen if we don't have vitamin A in our body? We'll get a disease called night blindness. Okay, we'll get a disease called night blindness. Okay, so night blindness means during the night time. What? So night blindness means during the night time you won't be able to see. Okay, so during the night time you won't be able to see, so you should have a lot of vitamin A. Okay, so the next is vitamin B. So vitamin B, what it does is it will make energy. It will make energy, and when there is no energy in your body, the made energy will be in your the vitamin B will release the energy. Okay, so vitamin B will make energy in our body, and when there's no energy, right, vitamin B will release the energy which it made. Okay, so you should eat food items like meat, milk, tomatoes, like that. Okay. Next is vitamin C. So vitamin C is found in fresh fruits like orange, berries like strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, like that, and green vegetables. Okay. So vitamin C is very important in wound healing. So if you fell down and if you got a wound, means if you have a lot of vitamin C in your body, then that will heal your wound. Okay. And vitamin C is very important for your immune system. If you eat a lot of vitamin C rich food, your immune system will be very strong. Okay. Next is vitamin D. So vitamin D we don't need in a large quantity. So we need a very small amount of vitamin D. If we eat them, we'll be healthy. That's all. Okay. And then vitamin D makes our bone and teeth very strong. If you eat vitamin D rich food, it will make your bones and teeth very strong. Okay. So the main source of vitamin D is sun. Okay. So that's why they'll say go and play during there's a bright sun, right, before 12 o'clock. Because if you go and play during that time, you'll get a lot of vitamin D in your body. Sun will give vitamin D. Okay. Next is vitamin E. So vitamin E means it prevents cancer and heart disease. Vitamin E prevents cancer and heart disease. That's all. Okay. So the next is, this is known as food pyramid. Can you see that image? It's like a triangle, right? It's known as food pyramid. So you can see the down part. Down part we have all the rice item, wheat, barley. So you have to eat them a lot because that has the larger part in the triangle, right? So you have to eat them a lot. All those bread, wheat bread, barley, rice items. And then top of those items we have vegetables and fruits, which you have to have a little bit lower than the rice all. Okay, little bit smaller in quantities. Okay, and in top of all the vegetables we have the dairy products and the seafood items. Okay, can you see dairy products means milk, cheese, all those? You have to consume them in smaller quantities. And the least is chicken and meat items. You have to take them in the least quantities. Okay, you have to eat them very less. Okay, so the next is, what should we kids eat? So we are kids, right? So what should we kids eat? We should eat protein rich food to be strong and to grow. And then we need grains, dairy products, right, like milk, cheese, butter, like that. And then vegetables and fruits, and then vitamins and minerals. So we should eat all these. Okay, so why should we not eat junk food? Why should we not eat junk food?
Excuse me.
Yes.
It will. It
What's
will.
the
Hello.
Yes,
If
I'm
we
able to
eat
hear you.
What's the difference with mineral water and normal water?
Mineral water will have minerals in it. It will be even more nutritious than normal water. That's all. Okay.
Oh.
So yeah. So eating junk food
Thank
can
you.
lead to obesity. Obesity means you'll become fat. So you shouldn't eat junk food. If you eat, you'll become fat. Okay. So the next is
it, it causes obesity.
yeah, it causes obesity. So during the COVID time, your immune system should be really strong. Yes, right? Then only if even COVID attacks you, you'll able to fight against it. So immune system should be really strong. So to make your immune system stronger, you need to eat nutritious food like proteins, vitamin C and vitamin D. Okay, so you should eat food like those. So the next is always wash the vegetables once you buy them. So once you buy the vegetables and fruits, you should always wash them because many germs will be on the vegetables and fruits. Okay, so you should always wash them. You can. So yeah, there was a network problem. So yeah, let's start. Okay. So can you see the slide now? Okay, so because many germs will be on the fruits and vegetables. Can you see the image, right? See how many germs are there? That's why we should always.
I cannot see the photos. There are little kids sitting on the floor. I can see them, but not the video.
1 minute, I'll stop share and again share. Okay, wait.
Okay.
So now, can you see? I think it will take a time to load. Okay. So
Okay.
can you see now?
It's loading.
Okay. So yeah, there'll be many
The screen's
germs.
black.
Okay, it
The
will load
screen's
for some
black.
time. It will load for some time and then it will come. Okay. So because there'll be many germs on the fruits and vegetables, so you should always wash them before eating. Okay. So then you should you should always wash your hands even before you are eating. Wash your hands before you are eating. Okay. The next is we shouldn't waste food because you can see in the image, right? There's a place called Somalia where there is no food. Okay, so the people will eat food from the garbage only. So we shouldn't waste food at all. Okay, so the next is drink 8 glasses of water each day. Okay, so you should drink 8 glasses of water each day. Okay, so the next is do daily exercise like swimming, cycling, and walking. So you can do exercise because it has to be in a balance, right? If you don't do exercise, you'll become fat staying in your home. So it has to be in a balance. So you should do exercise like swimming, cycling, and walking. Okay.
I will ride cycle daily.
Super, super. So now let us see some interesting
Excuse me.
facts. Yes.
Excuse me, Akka. Before Corona, I would always go swimming on Saturdays, but because of Corona, I can't go now.
Oh, okay. You can do yoga in your house, right? You can do yoga and exercise inside your house. You can do like that. Okay. So now let us see some interesting facts on food items. So chocolate is made from cocoa beans that grow as fruits of the cocoa tree. So you eat dairy milk, all right? Chocolates like dairy milk. So those are made from cocoa beans. It's a fruit called cocoa bean. They take chocolate from cocoa beans only. Okay. So then there are more than 1,000.
Did you know?
What?
Did you know there's another interesting fact about chocolate? Even if it was government tested when the cocoa beans were crushed, we also eat cockroaches because they love cocoa and they come to eat it and they get crushed and swallowed by us.
Okay. Super. So the next is there are more than 1,000 species of bananas. So you can see some bananas in red color, green color, yellow color. One will be so small. and one will be so big. Yes, right? So there are more than 1,000 types of bananas. Okay. Next is corn was grown already 9,000 years ago in Mexico. So corn, you'll eat corn, right? Sweet corn. It was grown 9,000 years before in Mexico. Okay. Next is apple floats on water. So apple floats on water because it has 24% of air in it. I tried this at home and I have an image of it. I'll show you in the end of the session, okay? So apple floats on water.
Also, I have a question. I've seen lots of videos where people they put apple in water, it floats, and then they try to pick it up with their mouth. It's like
Yeah.
a competition.
Yeah. So apple floats in water. So now we have a small quiz time, okay? So which nutrient helps us to be strong? Which nutrient helps us to be strong?
Vitamin D.
D.
No, proteins. Protein helps us to be strong, okay? Then sun
Protein.
gives us vitamin dash. So what vitamin does sun give?
D.
Yes,
D.
vitamin D. Super.
Vitamin D. Vitamin D.
Next is, why should we wash? Super. Okay, the next question is, why should we wash vegetables and fruits before eating?
Because germs will be there.
Germs can be killed by washing.
Yeah,
Fruits
super.
and vegetables.
Because some small bacteria will be on them. Super. Next is,
But we
fruits.
shouldn't wash the fruits in soap, cause
Yeah.
that's not good.
Yeah. Which fruit floats on water? I told you.
Apple.
Yes, very good. Apple floats on water. So next, thank you for coming to this session. So if you want to continue the further sessions, contact to this number 9842006728. Okay. So our next session will be day after tomorrow, and the link for that session will be sent tomorrow. And I told right, I'll show you the apple floating image. Let me show you. Wait. So can you see this image? I tried putting an apple on a bucket and it actually floated.
No, I can't see.
Can you see the
I
image?
can't see it.
I can't see, Akka.
I can see now.
Okay. So can you see it's floating, right?
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, let's meet in the next session, okay?
Okay.
Bye.
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 Bye, guys.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. I like your class. It's fun.
Thank you.
No problem.